This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Friday, the 11th of October. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather couldn't be better today. We're going to stay dry for a while, and next week, the coolest air so far this season blowing in here by Tuesday. We might see some 30s in spots by the middle part of next week. Let's check out the upper air look. We have a light northerly flow aloft. And again today, a really dry air mass in place. Here's a look at the visible satellite view. A cloudless sky statewide. And look at this. Around the nation, it's amazingly quiet today. And typically October is a very calm month around the nation, with the exception of tropical activity, of course. But again, it's just calm as could be. We've got mostly 70s for the northern half of the state. Birmingham and Huntsville, 77. Upper 70s for Montgomery and Dothan. The warm spot, Mobile, they've got 83. And again today, the watch warning map, just nothing going on. A little red flag warning up in parts of Michigan for the wildfire danger there. No severe storms through tonight. No severe storms tomorrow. And on Sunday, a little marginal risk over parts of West Virginia, eastern Kentucky with a front. Rain for the next 7 days, just nothing here. I mean, you see a little patch of one-tenth of an inch over East Alabama, but again, I think we can take that out. It just looks like we're dry all the way through the end of next week for the next 7 days. Tropics, the Gulf of Mexico, the Caribbean, just quiet as could be. We've got a weakening tropical storm out in the middle of the Atlantic, Leslie, out in the middle of nowhere, stays in the middle of nowhere. Goes post-tropical by early next week. And that wave coming off the coast of Africa, there's a very narrow window where this might develop through tomorrow, but beyond that, upper winds pick up and nothing should happen there. A 50% chance of very short-term development, but certainly no problem for the United States. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. The 12Z run valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. And again, a light northerly flow aloft, just a beautiful day. We start the day in the 40s and 50s. The high will be in the low 80s in most spots. Great day for college football. Sunday should be the warmest day of the next 7 days, mid-80s. Then a dry cold front comes in here late Sunday night. And then Monday, the thickness values come down. The high Monday dropping in the 70s, pretty good north breeze. And Tuesday will be a very cool day. Highs go in the 60s, lows in the 40s. And again, by Wednesday, we think it'll be pretty chilly early Wednesday morning. We're expecting lows in the low 40s. And many spots, I think, over North Alabama will probably see mid to upper 30s. Makes you wonder if we might, just might, have somebody with the first scattered light frost of the season Wednesday morning of next week. But again, we're dry all the way through the week. There's a look at Thursday, and this is a week from today, Friday the 18th. High amplitude pattern. Got a trough in the west, ridge here in the east, and we're dry and pleasant. Highs should be in the 70s and lows again in the 40s. Let's keep going. What do you say? Let's go out 10 days. This is Monday, the 21st of October. Again, a ridge here, trough back in the west. And once again, we are dry. Rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. The mean is just barely off the flat line between now and the 26th of October. Could we go the entire month without a drop of rain? It's possible, and it's happened before. But it sure looks like the entire month will be dry. We've had no measurable rain since the 1st of October, and no sign of rain anytime soon. Again, the warmest day of the next 10 days should be on Sunday with mid-80s. Highs drop in the middle 60s by the middle of next week. And again, this is for Birmingham. We see 42. This is coming from the national blend of models, both Wednesday and Thursday morning, meaning Wednesday and Thursday morning, we should see some 30s over North Alabama. And hot off the presses, got the brand new long-range guidance, 8 to 14 days out. This is for October 19th through October 25th. And if this verifies, temperatures would be a little above average. Hey, let's roll some Children's of Alabama Kid Cam. Up in Walker County today at Carbon Hill, home of the Bulldogs. I love it. An auditorium full of kids. Carbon Hill Elementary School. They love to learn about science. We had a great session there this morning, and I like that cake. Yeah, you know they respect that polygon at Carbon Hill. They've had a history of tornadoes in Carbon Hill. Goodness, the school was kind of taken out back in the Veterans Day outbreak of 2002. But great to see those students, great teachers, great school, marvelous session today. So again, to all of those students at Carbon Hill Elementary School in Walker County, thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. You know You guys are looking good. So headed out to Moody High School here shortly. I'll be there live on ABC 3340 for our Friday night rivals game of the week. Leeds at Moody. The Green Wave at the Blue Devils. I'll be on ABC 3340 at 4, 5, and 6. Blitz Game Day on Channel 68. That's our sister station at 6:30. The game itself on Channel 68 at 7 o'clock. And again, no book signing tomorrow. We've got an early football start there. Alabama, South Carolina kicks off at 11. Thanks for watching. Have a marvelous weekend, and God bless.